What's the crack, everyone? It's your favorite Irish bartender here, the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to episode 20 of Steve the Bartender's book, and we're doing the New York Sour. As you can tell, I'm a little bit excited about this. I love whiskey sours, and this one takes it to the next level. Roll the intro! Ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. If you don't know what a whiskey sour is, you must be 18 or under, and this show is not for you. Go away. But if you are 18 or over, please stay. Please hit that like button. Let's go. Let's make a New York sour. Our record in Steve's book has one of its first written records in 1862 in Jerry Thomas's The Bartender's Guide, but it was a pretty well-known drink before that. I'll tell you what though, those boys back then in the 1800s, they knew what they were doing with their cocktails. Strong and fucking tasty. Grab your cocktail shaker. We're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. We're gonna go 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. We're going 2 ounces of our bourbon. We're using good old Elijah Craig again today. Add ice to your shaker. Cap that, shake it. Like and subscribe. Shake for about 15 seconds. Grab a pre-chilled glass. I like to strain mine in first and then figure out how much ice I'm going to put in the glass afterwards, because you don't want to waste any of the good stuff, do you? Top your glass with ice. Top tip for New York Sour, you want to leave a little room at the top for the actual red wine. I've seen people fill the glass right to the top with ice, and then you don't have room for the actual float of red wine. Another little tip is leave the actual cocktail to settle for a little bit before pouring the red wine. It really helps with actually layering it. And also, a little speed pour on top of your red wine bottle. Now, the moment of truth, if all goes right, you get a lovely little layer. If not, you get a fucking mess. So you want to layer about, say, an ounce of your red wine, and then here you go. Looks good. Give it a little sippy sip. Oh, this takes your New York Sours to the next level. It's lovely. You got the whiskey, it's lemony, it's sweet, and you get that fruity red wine. It's good. It's summer here in Australia, so this is going to kick it off nicely this afternoon. Enjoy, folks. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.